walkthrough of the houseboat that we just bought. I did a lot of cleaning in this room last night, so it's actually fairly clean, but you know, there's some stuff like this tent over here that we're gonna have to replace and things like that. But this room actually looks pretty decent now that I cleaned it up, but I'm gonna do a lot of remodeling here too. So this is like your living area and kitchen. Has a kegerator that it came with. So this is looking from the hallway back into the living and onto the front deck out there. But your steering is over here, and then back into the kitchen. I have some serious fun with this thing. All right, this is a bunk room. So there's 2 bunks in here. And this wall right here, we're 99% sure that we're gonna take it out. Someone put this wall in and it really kind of just like closes all this off and makes this hallway pretty narrow. So we're probably today gonna rip this wall out. This is the master. This has gotta go, don't even look at it. All that stuff will go. We'll probably keep the TV, but. And in here, there is also a washer dryer, which we're gonna replace. It's pretty rough. Some closets with stuff in them. So, little backstory, we bought this boat like as it sits. So everything that was in here got left in here. It came with the boat. So we have been clearing out a bunch of stuff, and this is the bathroom. I've got to do like major cleaning on this bathroom. Let me turn the light on. Okay, there we go. So this stresses me very, very bad. But we're gonna do some major cleaning there, and then got our sink and stuff. This is pretty cracked, so we'll probably replace that out. Take this cabinet or this little insert out. I wanted to do a before video, and that way we could see like how much progress and all that stuff by the time we get done. I'll show you our view out the back. Let me go out here. So we are at the Pier 51 on E-Dock. But pretty sweet little spot. I'll try to walk you down the side of the boat. It's super windy, so try not to fall in. Are you feeding the birds? Oh my god, he's feeding the ducks. Hang on, let me see if I can turn it. Oh god. Alright, so I'm walking you down the side of the boat. Try not to trip over all this crap. You're good. I'm taking a before video. We have to have a before video before we completely flip this sucker.
That is a really good idea. I never think about that until I'm halfway through the project.
See, me either, but everyone has been like, you have got to get a before video. So I'm like, all right, that's what I'm doing. I'm going so fast, but it's honestly like the outside of it is in pretty good shape. It just has a lot of cleaning up that we're gonna have to do, but it'll be a lot of fun when we get it done.